I'm going to show you how to use the Blendtec Go. The Blendtec Go is an add-on accessory that works with any Blendtec blender base. You can blend directly in the Blendtec Go travel bottle or, and this is my favorite, you can blend inside a disposable cup inside the travel bottle. Let's take a look at the components. You have your blender base, your travel bottle with lid, your micronizer, and, optionally, a disposable cup. I found that solo cups work the best. This works a little differently than other Blendtec jars, so let me share a few tips to make sure things run smoothly for you. The first thing to remember is to add any heavy items first. Ice, oranges, carrots, frozen bananas, or anything solid and dense. Next, add your softer, lighter ingredients, like leafy greens or fresh berries. Make sure to put sticky stuff like peanut butter, honey, or even yogurt in the cup next. The closer to the blade, the less chance it has of sticking to the sides. Lastly, add your liquid. Now, gently place your cup into the travel bottle and twist on your micronizer. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't leak. Flip the entire assembly over and place it on your blender base. Most of the time, you'll want to just use your smoothie cycle. After blending, the seal that holds your cup inside the micronizer will be airtight, so give your cup a gentle twist before taking the assembly off of the base to make it easier to remove the micronizer. Don't turn it too much though, you don't want to spill. That is good. Whether you're using the travel bottle or a disposable cup, here are a couple more tips to help you get the best blend possible. If you're using protein powder or any other kind of powders, put your liquid in first, then the powder, then the solid ingredients. You can avoid residue on the jar that way. We're aiming for fast, efficient, and clean. Also, I want to mention the type of ice you use matters. With the micronizer's small opening, large pieces could lodge in the cup, preventing ingredients from reaching the blade. Crushed or nugget ice is usually the best way to go. And there you have it, the Blendtec Go. Blend, set, go.